Let's temporarily deactivate your Instagram Lite account. Before you start, I recommend you to up-to-date your Instagram Lite application. Then you can open your application like this. Then tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. In the pop-up window, select settings. Now select the very first one, account center. Here select the last option, manage account. Then you have to select manage button next to Instagram. Here select the second option, deactivation or deletion. Here the default selection is deactivate, so you can just tap continue to go forward. Here you have to re-enter your password. Then you can verify yourself. Now you have to select a reason. Here I will select the very first one, just need a break. Then I will tap the continue button. On the next page, scroll all the way to the bottom. Then tap on 7 days. Here in the pop-up window, select don't reactivate automatically, otherwise it will be reactivate automatically within 7 days. Now just tap deactivate account. Then you can see now your account is successfully deactivated, as well as you will be logged out from your Instagram Lite account. Don't try to log back in, it will be reactivated. Instead of deactivating, if you want to firmly delete it, click this end screen video and come on over. See you in the next one. Later.